Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to copy files from your iPhone to computer. So first of all, what you do is take your iPhone cable, make sure you're having original cable, plug it to your system and then plug it to your phone. It's going to pop up just like this. Let me plug mine. So I plug my iPhone now, I unlocked it. So I'll wait to see. Now it just pop up. So all I do now is go to internal storage. You can see this DCIM, just click it and scroll down. If you are trying to copy your recent files, you have to come to the last folder. You can see in 2022, this is October, so this is 2021 August, 2022 August, 2022 November, because this last number is the date and this is the year. So you have to always mark it, know when you captured everything or when you had this. Maybe you record your screen, you did a screen record, you wanted to move this video to computer and enable to move it to your Android or however you want it. So this is solution. You do not need to move it around online, just that's another alternative way, but this is a very quickest way offline. So if you did it this month, you have to just check 2022 10, that's August, because we are in August right now. Sorry, October. We are in October right now. So 2022 October, this will let you know, okay, I created this file, I took this photo in October, so this is where I'm going to find them. If you took them in November, then with this 9 you're going to know to find your files, November files here. So I'm going to copy a file from October. So this is it. Now I'll scroll down because I have to look for the file. Okay, so I found I think I found the file. Yeah, this is the file. So I'm going to copy it. How I do now is just drag it to my desktop. So wait till copy is done. Okay, now this is the file, the video that I want to move to my Android. So now I'm going to exit it, then go to my Android. And now this is my Android. Okay, I open it now, my internal storage, because I want to paste it in the full internal storage so I will be able to trace it. Also it will be available in gallery. So now I'm just going to like move it. Double click your system or just use your 2 finger to click your mouse, then find copy. In Windows 11 this is copy, this is also then paste. You can either use Ctrl V to paste or you paste manually with the key. So let me check. Okay, the file is here now. Let me check data. Okay, this is where the file ended up. So I'm moving it back to storage because I don't need it here. So this is where this is what I want my file to be. So this is pasting with the system. Okay, now I've added it to my previous files. This is a video. These 4 videos are the videos I made with my iPhone, because sometimes when you are editing on iPhone is somehow difficult, not easy as Android. So I rather move them to my Android, then edit it, or I edit them straight through my PC before uploading them, because iPhone have limited options and features. And thank you guys, and this is one of the way to do that. And make sure you also plug your Android to your computer at the same time, because you're gonna like move them around. You don't need to plug one and one. Just your computer may have multiple Windows to plug your USB. So, and this is it, and thank you. I wish to catch you guys on my next video. Stay tuned.